Hello and welcome to another episode of What's Inside. Today we're looking at some Yu-Gi-Oh boosters from the Duelist Pack. These are Rivals of the Pharaoh. We got 3 of them here. These are the English edition, of course. I believe they have 5 cards each. Let's see what's inside. Alright, first pack, we've got a Temple of the Kings, Dedication Through Light and Darkness spell card, a green gadget, that one moved on me, Dark Necrofear, and a Blue Eyes Ultimate Dragon. That one's got a little foil at the top, looks pretty cool. Alright, second pack. We've got a Spirit Message L, a Necro Face, that's got a attack 1200, defense 1800. Blue Eyes Shining Dragon, attack 3000, defense 2500. Exchange of the Spirit. And Metal Reflect Slime Trap card, which has the foil at the top. And last pack, let's see what we got here. A red gadget, a Spirit Message L, Spirit Message I, Sangan, and Thousand Eyes Restrict. That seems to be some sort of special character because it doesn't have any stats at the bottom. But yeah, looks like there's probably a few good cards in there. These are the Rivals of the Pharaoh booster pack. These have 5 cards in them. And that's kind of an example of what you can find inside. So that'll do it for this episode. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on What's Inside.